What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined about watching the rally or the racing competition or maybe the Formula F1 Grand Prix? However, the venue was in the moon. Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create the imagination into this picture. And as you can see, it's kind of the Formula 1 cars and got it is having the racing competition in the moon, and you will see this is the I guess this is the Earth from the distance. How to create this picture? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Google AI Studio, which is provides you to try this Nano Banana. However, if you would like to try another platform such as the Gemini AI or maybe the ChatGPT and a lot of AI tools out there, it is very okay and you can do the exploration with it. And here I will also share you the prompt. And if you would like to try this Nano Banana via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the home page, and you can start to click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, you don't need to upload the reference picture. You just need to put the simple prompt like this. For example, okay, a Formula One race car speeding across a desolate, cratered lunar landscape under the harsh and bright sun. And also the car kicks up moon dust as it turns on a winding track, and also leaving clear tire marks, this one. And the sky is deep black and contrasting with a bright texture moon surface. And also the overall mood is futuristic and also adventurous. So this will be the simple prompt, and after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture. However, I will be honest because you can also have the different look, however still in the one theme, maybe about the angle of the car or the angle of the camera. And also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And as you can see, this is the different or the variation another look like this. And if you like it, then you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.